Hello everyone and welcome back to Airtime with Jaden, and today I am at Thorpe Park, Summer Late, and I am just standing under Nemesis Inferno, and a new little bit has popped up, which I think is going to be where the crows are, because this is where Death's Doors used to be, but now I think it's going to be the crows, and I'm going to show you around today, and yeah, it's going to be some good vibes. So this is Launchpad, and they've got it all decorated up for the Summer Late. They've got little swings there. Got some snacks there, and then they've got some music playing, so they've got benches, stuff like that. Then they've got food vans and drink vans. They've got these little, I don't know what they call it, umbrella things, or these are the umbrellas, but they're the stuff. And then they've got some Chinese food thing, and then here's the stage. The stage is just there. So this is the stage. They're going to have a DJ on here soon. And they've got some more food venues over there. Yeah, Thorpe Park Late Summer Sounds. Walking over to Hyperia.
Even there, I was like, I changed my race.
Yeah.
Now I'm back. Bro, they nerfed me, bro. They had to nerf me.
So far today, I have done Hyperia once, Stealth once, and Nemesis Inferno I've just done. And yeah, like I said, we're going to walk over to Hyperia, or Flipseria as I should say. Now around the park you have seen these posters. This one's near trailers, which I'll be very happy to do. Which means it's coming back, which I think we all knew it was coming back, but you know. Now, there are so many of those posters, so many, but they're a little teaser, I guess, or I'm sure they'll have teasers on what the new maze is going to be. Now, hopefully they reveal what it's going to be like, or what's it going to be this week, or maybe next week, but after Hyperia I'll show you what the maze looks like so far. So we have arrived at Flipseria, as you can see it up there. Now we'll go on in a minute. Here we are at Flipseria Plaza, as we shall say. What a ride this is.
There we go, got it.
Summarise the ride that I want to do today, and saw, because I haven't done those two in ages. Flying over Hyperia. Here it is, about to drop. Now we have some flips beaming in the queue line. Are we serious? Just as we got to this part, Hyperia has suffered some delays. And it's security's behind me, and the security's going in to get someone. They're going up right there. Someone's probably kicking off or something. Oh, they're pretty queue jumpers. Hopefully they'll sort it out. But it's testing. It's testing.
Compared to this one, 20 minutes ain't bad normal.
I know. So we just came off Hyperia and that was a pretty good ride, but we had to wait like an extra 30 minutes because some girl dropped her phone. But I don't think that phone can be used anymore because the screen's fallen off. Or there was about that much of the screen was here and then the actual phone was there. So yeah, let's go on Thorpe. So we've made it in the Thorpe queue. My sister's stuck. She's made it out alive. We've made it out, but we've lost an arm or two. So I've just came out of Thorpe and they've got the Mr. fans on. And here is the new maze. We'll see if there's any hints as to what it could be. I doubt they'll have any hints. But it looks pretty big and long. See, that's it. Just there. So I'll have some views of it from the top of Colossus Walk. And yeah, I'll show you some of the other mazes that they have here, but hopefully they'll release what this is soon. So this is the new maze over here. Now it doesn't look that big, but it still does look pretty big. But I mean, with stitches, the tent doesn't look big, but indoors it does feel big, so who knows? This could be a pretty good maze. Ready for a conga! Let's go! Swarm in the dark. Now we're going to try and do all of the rides in the dark, or most of the rides in the dark. So we've done Swarm, we're going to go over to Thorpe, and then we're going to try and get last train on Hyperia. Change of plans, we're just going to go and do Hyperia. We've almost got a full moon. Almost. We've got all the lights though. So Tideway's back open, and I don't know if you're crazy enough to do Tideway with this weather. And they're getting squirted. Oh, what the vibe! The vibes are immense, they're insane. I love the lights on the rides. Let's Ghost Train. It's a waste of time, Ghost Train is. It's a good thing to do once, but it takes too long. So we have arrived at Hyperia / Flips area, and Samurai's got his lights on. I don't know if you can see over there, but yeah, there it is. Now we're going to do Hyperia in the dark, because last time I did it I wasn't really feeling well, but I'm feeling very well, very excited and happy to come and do Hyperia in the dark. I'm so excited for this in the dark. Now, sorry my hair looks a bit messed up. I've just done Hyperia, front row in the dock, and oh my god, what a ride that was. I'll put up a photo of my ride. I put my ride photo up here, and that's good. And oh, it's so good. Hyperia in the dark, so good. I wasn't expecting front row, but I got it, and wow, I couldn't see. I think I blacked out or something. I couldn't see. But yeah, what a ride. And that's the end of the day.